Can't see anything. Can't see her. Let's see.
January 18th, only in theaters. Today's game is sponsored by T-Mobile. Nationwide 4G coverage from coast to
Can't
coast.
see her.
By DirecTV. If you call yourself a sports fan, you've got to get DirecTV. And by Subway Restaurants. Power up with a surprisingly low-fat turkey meal.
Hi. Can't see her. Too dark. Hi.
Back in the end zone and thrown away. Incomplete, it's 4th down, and the Seahawks will attempt the field goal. Sidney Rice, the closest one to it.
Yeah, once they got to 3rd and long, Joe, it was going to be awfully difficult knowing that you essentially had to score a touchdown. Could have picked up a 1st down. But the Redskins, say Jim Haslett coming into this game, what they have done defensively over the second half of this season has really been good. The yards that they've given up throughout the year really do not tell the story about this defense.
House good from 32. Seahawks have their first points of the day. 14-3. All eyes will shift back to RG3 as the Redskins will take it up by 11.
For some trucks, a V6 is plenty. This isn't some truck. This is the 2013 V8 GMC Sierra with maximum power and maximum fuel economy.
Go back and maybe you can see her.
That's professional.
I'm sorry for waking
Get
up.
0% financing for 60 months, plus current GMC owners trade up to this specially equipped Sierra and use your package discount for a total value of $4,000. Or choose to trade up with customer cash and your package discount for a total value of $8,000.
Sick of this thing popping up. I know. Cable's more annoying than... I shouldn't have to stop watching a show or cancel the recording. Cable's worse than... Totally. DirecTV is new GE. Lets you record 5 shows at once. Wow. DirecTV is better than...
Record 5 shows at once with the new DirecTV Genie. Call 1-800-DirecTV.
Keep the party moving. One night together again with Big Boom. Here we go.
Oh, Snell. Just like you. The further in the winter we go,